Hello, Kakonchaba! Ngayon, excited ako ipakita sa inyo isang modern, affordable, at well-designed home na paniguradong patok sa inyong pamilya. Please welcome Pearl Townhouse!
The Pearl Townhouse is a fully equipped home located in Olivares Home Southwoods, Binyan City, Laguna, offering comfort and convenience in a prime location.
Halika, pasukin natin! Siyempre, pagpasok natin dito sa Pearl Townhouse, meron agad tayong living area.
The well-designed living area offers a cozy and welcoming atmosphere with an open layout that makes the space feel even bigger.
At siyempre, meron din tayo dito ang kitchen area. Meron din siyang one cabinet para organize ang ating mga kitchen materials.
With the floor area of 71 square meters and the lot area of 60 square meters.
Dito sa first floor, meron tayong common bathroom with toilet and bath.
This home offers a well-balanced space for comfortable living, providing enough room for relaxation, functionality, and future expansions.
At ngayon, akyat naman tayo sa second floor. Tara! Dito sa walls, pwede kang maglagay ng mga paintings or family pictures niyo.
If you're looking for a modern and comfortable home, this Pearl Townhouse is the perfect choice for you.
Pagka-akyat mo ng second floor, meron tayo ditong balcony area. At ngayon, meron tayong ditong one bedroom. Meron tayong built-in cabinet with mirror and side table for study purposes.
It features 2 spacious bedrooms, ideal for couples, small families, or young professionals seeking a relaxing living space. Ito ang perfect investment kung naghahanap kayo ng comfortable at accessible na bahay sa isang secured at flood-free community.
Huwag mo nang palampasin ang pagkakataong ito. Message or call VS Concha for site tripping.
Kaya Kakonchaba, ano pang hinihintay mo? Handa ka na bang makita ang iyong future home? Tara na at bisitahin ang Pearl Townhouse dito sa Olivares Home, Southwoods.
See you, Kakonchaba!